Welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start the lab and copy this link given here and paste in ignoto mode just like this and click on enter. It takes a time for loading. So here are the chat sections. So you can chat with them, or you don't need to solve this. So you can directly attend this quiz and click on read these questions and click on some. You gain us 100 points. After this, which major river flows through Berlin? Spare. So you click on this and then click on this, and your lab is being completed. So come back to your lab session and click on check my progress. It takes a time uh, for check my progress for verifying. Yeah, it is completed and end the lab.